Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Litecoin, followed by Hype, Monero, BGB, Pi, PEPE, Uni, and then we end it with Aptos at number 30. Let's get straight into it. Litecoin against USD. So, in my opinion, Litecoin is a coin that mucks around the skinny pink line. It's just up and down and up and down and up and down. And what do you think is going to come next? Moreover, today's the 30th of April. And if you look at the monthly, we're getting a hammer. It's a monthly hammer. Monthly hammers are bullish reversal chart patterns. The moment you switch back to the daily, you won't really see it. But on the monthly, I suspect that sure, eventually we may see a retrace before continuing higher. But I'm expecting more upside to come for Litecoin eventually. We're right at the skinny pink line. So I'm assuming that there's already some form of resistance, and eventually we're expecting a dip for Litecoin. Hype against USD is also looking pretty good. Reason being that Hype has broken out of an inverse head and shoulders. It's a very small right shoulder, and we're consolidating right above the support line. Sure, we could fall a bit lower as well. But we must not come back down and take out the lows of the right shoulder. And this will be a potential setup. Excuse me. For Hype to go beyond the highs over here. Up to $30 potentially. But at the moment, we love to see the continuation chart pattern first. And the right shoulder is just very... could we drop lower? Yeah, sure, of course. Sure, of course. This is going to prove as a... support area, right? 16, around 16. Strong support. And then, yeah, I'll expect it bounce eventually towards above $30. But if we drop lower, and if you take out these lows, then that's it. Hype could be dropping much lower. Monero. Oh, Monero has hit targets. So we had 3 targets for Monero. One is at 250, one 326, and another one at 390. We have hit target man number 2, ladies and gentlemen. So 326. Hello. Of course, this is not a really truly volatile coin. So yeah, from our call over here, way back in September 2024, to where the price is 84%. It's not a lot. It's 84%. Could there be more upside? Yeah, potentially. Right. We have to clear these highs first, though. Right. But this is very encouraging. Encouraging in the sense that we could be about to take out these highs. We did go higher, but we didn't close above it. So it's not considered as taken out yet. We cleared all of these buy clusters. I think a setup is on the way for a potential break higher. Right. We broke the long accumulation here. We consolidated a little while, and then bam! We broke out. So whenever you see consolidation, it's like an arrow that's being pulled back. And then once you let go, yeah, these kind of things happen. Bam! It goes to targets very fast. Pew! 126 hit. So more likely than not, we're going to see some consolidation before it hits back towards the final target at 390. We're still expecting 390 to be hit at this point of time. We are above the skinny pink line. So the trend is already largely bullish for Monero. BitGet token, BGB against USD. If you look at BitGet, we are in A. It's not really that obvious, but this is A, B, C, D, E. We are above the skinny pink line. Okay. Another thing is that BitGet, if you were to pull it all the way down, yeah, no, we're expecting it to go higher. We're expecting a breakout to happen over here. It's just in the making. It's not too far away. I know it's not really that obvious, right? But this is a consolidation. If BTC remains bullish, I'm expecting BitGet to continue higher. So for me, I think BitGet is about to break. I think it's very close to breaking. There's already a hammer over here, right? Again, hammers are bullish reversal candlesticks. So hammer, bullish reversal, right? It was bearish and then hammer, pump, we go up. Bearish, hammer. It's a hammer for BitGet. So we're expecting it to go higher. Not saying we can't take out, the lows here. But I'm expecting a curve back up for BitGet. I'm expecting a breakout, a clearance of all these buy clusters eventually. Pi against USDT. Here we are for Pi. We are okay. I think pi is going to drop lower, right? There was some shenanigans here. I think the wheels are going to clear this cell cluster first before hitting any higher. So yeah, I think we're heading back towards 40 cents for pi. PEPE against USD. Here we are for PEPE. PEPE is okay. PEPE has already taken out this high. We did take out this high as well. However, in the bigger scheme of things, PEPE is under the skinny pink line. One. Number two is this also rising channel. Rising channels usually break lower. So I suspect that we are getting a second rising channel over here. Oh boy. Yep, sure. We could head towards the skinny pink line. And then we could bounce back down. And get something like a head and shoulders. We drop lower. If we drop from here, then yeah, head and shoulders. Something like that. Something like that. So that's our take for PEPE. It's still pretty bearish because we're still expecting these lows to be taken out at 400. Right now we're at 889. So more downside to come for PEPE. Uniswap is very, very weak. It's very, very weak. We keep forming new all-time lows. Right, lower highs, lower highs, lows. Lower lows, lower lows. Yeah, bro, what's happening? Uniswap against USD is yeah. Again, we're expecting this cluster of buys here to act as strong support and then a strong bounce for Uniswap. This would be fantastic. But yeah, we're also aware of the possibility of this being a very, very big mountain range as it drops lower. I don't think so though. I really don't think so. I think more likely than not, we'll hit here, and then there should be strong bounces, right? It's just that I think Uniswap might do a very, very long type of accumulation. And 2027, 2028, I think Unit should be seeing a big break. More likely than not, right? Very important, we don't take out these lows. Very, 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 very important. Aptos against USD, I think it's turning bullish. It found strong support over here. There is a rally coming on for Aptos. I think Aptos is going to get a retrace. I don't know if this is going to be an inverse head and shoulders, very slanted type. But if you look at the monthly for Aptos, it's also a hammer. And it's a monthly hammer at that. So more upsides to be coming on for Aptos. We're expecting much more upside for Aptos. Another thing is that I think this summer 2025 should be a fantastic summer. It should be a summer of bull. As you know, everything more likely than not. The certain coins, yes, certain coins, no. But for Aptos case, yes, I think Aptos should be seeing a rally back up. Are we gonna clear these highs with this final edge? Again, we can't say for sure. We have to take things one step at a time. As it stands, we have not taken out any of the highs. Lower high, downward trend, lower high, lower high, lower high. You see this? No, we haven't taken out this high yet. We'll have to wait for the takeout. We'll probably see some sort of a retrace before heading higher. So yeah, this whole thing could be the inverse head and shoulders here, right? Even if we were to rally, yeah, I suspect that we'll stop short of breaking the skinny pink line. Form a proper resistance first before properly breaking it. So for me, I think Aptos should be doing well for the next few months. Again, it's already 30th of April. I think that Aptos is going to close with a hammer. So hammers are bullish reversal chart patterns. The noisy area over here helped pretty well. So what I mean by that is here, again, a little bit of noise here, right? It helped pretty well. We went to the upper portion, right? Upper border of it. I think it's holding pretty well. I'm not saying you can't drop any lower, but I would expect bullish moves for Aptos for the next few months. So watch out for the potential entry, right? You don't enter things when they're up. You have to wait for the retrace. And again, best is we get confirmation, right? Clear these highs. At least clear these highs. We don't have to clear this, just clear these highs. I mean, of course, best would be we clear everything, right? Hit the skinny pink line, come back down, get a wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, get a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Oh, fantastic. We can also do something like this. Take out these highs, come back down, get a right shoulder as a wave 2, go up for a 3, and then a 4, and then a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And then we will be anticipating the completion of Aptos' big accumulation as it goes potentially close to $100. But again, we'll take things one step at a time. So there we go. That's our take 4, app toss. All right, guys. Hope you guys have a great Wednesday. See you in the next one. Ta-da!